Many of you may have been wondering where the alligators all are. Right underneath us. This is a young mother alligator. And when the back trail gets into position, Captain Clifton is going to kill the engine so we can hear her sounds and maybe the cries of her babies. Female alligators provide guardian presence for their babies until they're 3 feet long. That can take up to 2 to 3 years. If you're using the front tram, y'all can take a look at the nest that she made right over here in front of Bayhead. A giant pile of decayed sawgrass and willow leaves is where the eggs incubated for 60 days.